New location for our train adventures, overlooking Manhattan World Trade from Bayview in Jersey City, walking towards Liberty Science Center. Look at that beautiful panorama. Someone's super excited. Aydin, you have to do your intro. Your channel's recording.
Hi guys, we're with you guys, looking at another moving freight train from a video highway. Yeah. I know, right? Yeah.
Oh, I hear the train.
And not forgetting to say Happy Black Friday, guys. Yeah. That's a lot of moving oil tank trains.
Well, actually, that's probably a lot of Black Friday, maybe supplies and gifts and items going to different stores. This is a great view. We never had this view. With the city as well. Bonus footage. Cool, folks. This is exactly where we walked last week when we drove the car, actually, alongside that road. So this is actually going towards that Cave-in Point crossing that we were at last time. No, we gotta keep going down, Aydin.
There's hundreds of them.
Keep seeing it. We're gonna see it from there. We've never seen this overhead view. Let's get some footage of this. Stay here. This is pretty amazing. This might be one of the best views we've gotten of the freight train. Whoa! Well, Aydin, it's even better from here. Come here.
Thousands of tanks.
Aydin, come see the whole track.
There must be like 10,000 oil in there. Yet
No.
1,000 of these things.
No, these aren't oil tankers. The oil tankers are the black ones. These are the cargo. These are cargo. Cargo is like the different kind of like containers.
There's a bunch of containers in there. I'd say like 1,000 containers and 10,000 cargo stuff. Food. Some other stuff. But what are they like?
I don't know what's the contents, but
Behind you. Way over there.
oh, Aydin, look, you can see it from here too. Don't get near the road, but look. Aydin, look on this side where my camera's pointing.
Whoa, look. That's thousands of them. Thousands of them are rolling.
Jackpot, guys. Jackpot.
That's a huge jackpot. It started from a very spoiled stock train all the way to a goat meal train. And look,
Stay off the
it's
road,
going
please.
right at Liberty's side. Jackpot. And you remember the first time when you walked up into the tracks?
Guys, off the road.
You thought you remember? Yeah. It's going towards that place. The train would have got stuck.